What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're continuing our Rustoleum custom mix series with a crazy new pearl and a crazy new color combination. Today we're going to be doing key lime green, gloss key lime green, and a copper pearl over top. Now I've seen this done on various channels and with some higher end stuff, and so this kind of gave me the idea of doing this. I know it's a crazy combination, but hey, I'm going to try it with Rustoleum and we're going to see if it works. So obviously we got to put the base down first. So I got my fender prep behind me, sanded down with 600 and wiped down really good with prep all. And we're going to lay down some Rustoleum and let's see what this crazy color combination does. Alright guys, so we've got the key lime green put down on the fender. It covered very well. It was a really poppy color, as you can see. So what we're doing today is I am using the budget clear, which means no UV protection. It will shrink and everything, so do not use this clear. If you're looking for some good clear, or if you want to use any of the products, the paint gun, the pearls, any of the stuff I use on this channel, I got a link down in my Amazon description that takes you to As Seen on YouTube, and you can buy any of the products I use there. I do get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys any extra. So anyways, we have copper pearl today, and I'm going to shoot this over key lime green. Now, I got this idea from watching Sprayway Customs shoot out a car one time, where he did the key lime green and he did this weird pearl that looked kind of like copper over top of it. And at first I was like, that ain't going to look good. But then once after he shot it, I was like, huh, that kind of looks kind of interesting. So I'm going to try to replicate it today. This is all in good fun. This clear mix is 4-to-1, so I got 4 ounces of clear in it. I'm going to put fast activator. It is in the 50s today, so it's a little on the cooler side. So 1 part activator, 4 parts clear. And I got about a 5-gram bag of this copper. I'm just going to spritz some in. It ain't going to take a whole lot. It's just a fender. So maybe half an ounce, maybe a little bit less, but that's the copper. And we're gonna mix it up real good. And I'll move you guys in close so you can see what this looks like in the clear coat. So this is a pretty aggressive looking color, as you can tell. Yeah, this is gonna be funky over key lime green, guys, but let's load up our gun and let's see what we can do. All right, guys, so I got my gun loaded up. This is my V-bore gun. If you guys are wondering my settings, I got a 1.4 tip on this gun, and I spray between 26 to 28 psi if you want to replicate it. Anyways, I'm going to put my mask on real quick, and we're going to lay a light coat down on this just so that the clear and the Rustoleum can get used to each other. And we'll go from there. So let's get the spraying. guys, so that's the project for today. Key lime green with a copper pearl. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and say it. It is a little blotchy. I could have possibly done a few more coats. I did do 3 coats of pearl over top of this. But more than anything, I think what really actually happened was I probably should have used a copper interference pearl instead of a solid pearl. The interference pearls actually go over and give it like a ghost effect. So you really only see the pearl when the sun hits it. Opposed to this is a great example of what I talk about when I say salt and pepper effect. When you put a darker color pearl over a lighter color base, a lot of times it makes the base look dirty, and you can actually see the pearls, the flakes, whatever you put in it, no matter how small the particles are, because even though guns typically will atomize the product and throw it on the fender, it still doesn't do it all the way 100% consistent. And I think this kind of showed it today. Nonetheless, it was a great experiment. I think it's a really cool color combination. It's very unique. And I'm happy with it. Like I said, guys, this is just for test purposes. This is just a test panel and to try out cool things. That's what this series is all about. Trying crazy combinations, different colors and pearls to see what works and what don't. So as always, rate this 1 to 5. What'd you think about it? What are your thoughts and opinions? What could I have done different? But I appreciate you guys for watching today. If you made it this far in the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button, dropping me a like and comment. It helps me out tremendously. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, and at 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and who knows, I might give away some paint guns, some pearls. I don't know yet. Haven't really decided, but I'll know better when we get there. And the faster we get there, the faster everybody gets cool prizes, I guess. But anyways, that's going to be it for me today, guys. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day as always. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next one.